If you live in the Caribbean and you feel like you could make some more money and you just don't know exactly how to do it, there is a conference on September 7th that shows you how to export to a richer place that is right next door to us, and that's Latin America. It is possible. I am 27 years old. I am making money from this market, and there are some people who make millions of US dollars every single year. The industries, I listed them out. You really need to be there, because if your friend is there and he learns how to do this without you, he's going to be driving a nicer car than you. So I would tell you, don't let this vehicle leave you. It's coming to Jamaica, it's coming to Zoom. You can participate anywhere, and the same laws that affect Jamaica are the same laws that affect Trinidad, Barbados, Dominica, and all of CARICOM. We as a group have a rare opportunity now to export to this region, and we need to do it now for services, goods, and of course, tourism.
That's it. There you have it. Do not miss this conference. You couldn't have had a better introduction, a better invitation